Hi beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're 40 years old, 50, expect that this home remedy that I'm going to be showing you today is going to help your skin look as if you are 20 or 18, because it's going to help you to revise or revive your skin, and it's going to help you to make it look pretty young and glowing. Okay, all right, so I'm going to be telling you the rest of them in the video, but let's dive into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and then let's go. For a younger looking skin, guys, we're going to be making use of rice powder. Now you can actually use cooked rice if you have one. Okay, now rice powder is loaded with anti-aging remedy that works in repairing the skin, and it also helps to tighten up the skin. It therefore leaves the skin really young and flawless. Okay, so how we're going to do that is that we're going to grab a bowl, then we're going to be taking 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Now you can take more if you want to make more, but it's ideal you just make a little so you don't waste your ingredients. Now how you're going to get rice powder is that you're going to blend your rice with a very good blender, and it turns to powder form. And then we're going to be making use of egg. Now egg is loaded with numerous benefits that works in tightening up the skin, because it helps to reduce the signs of aging. It will help to reduce a larger pores, and it will also help to make the skin look really young and healthy. It will also help in rejuvenating the skin, removing fine lines and wrinkles. So how we're going to do that is that we're just going to be putting the egg white, and then I'm gonna be turning that in, and that's basically the white. So I'm actually going to be stirring this all up at first and making sure that it mixes. Okay, then also we're gonna be making use of yogurt. Now yogurt contains lactic acid, which is necessary in rejuvenating and making the skin look smooth and healthy. It helps to leave the skin looking really young, and it also reduces the signs of aging, like removing fine lines on the skin and also helping you glow. So to do that, we're going to be taking just 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and then we're just going to be putting that into this ingredient, and make sure to mash all of this together. Yeah, perfectly mashed. Now to make this ingredient complete, you're going to be needing sugar. Now you can actually either use brown sugar or you use white sugar. Now sugar contains a smaller granite particles, which helps to scrub out the dead skin cells from the skin. It helps to renew age because it removes whiteheads and blackheads, and it also helps with the aid of yogurt to tighten up the pores. So we're gonna need sugar in this remedy, and we're gonna be putting 1 tablespoon of sugar. And now the ingredient is complete, and we would have to be giving this a stir. It looks really nice, and I'm sure it will smell nice. This anti-aging remedy is perfect. It's actually what you need for a younger looking skin, a glowing skin, and a more radiant skin. This is the ingredients. Oh, all right, so it smells good too, and you have to refrigerate this. It's actually very perfect for you to refrigerate your ingredients, okay? And then you now pack it onto your skin. And your rice has to be properly blended so that the ingredients can be very smooth, yeah? So I'm going to be packing this onto my face. That's how you're going to do it, guys. Okay, so it's actually going to be very helpful to removing all of those remedy. So for this, if you have wrinkles, like mouth wrinkles or eye wrinkles, you can actually apply this, okay, at that particular area. Apply it very, very well. Let it cover everywhere. Okay, so after that is done, you are good to go. Okay guys, so the thing is that you would have to leave this ingredient on your skin for it to dry, okay? And when it dries, then you can wash it off with normal water, and a toilet soap is preferably, okay? You actually do not need to use any antibacterial soap, okay, because most of those ones would actually leave your skin it will actually leave your skin rough and dry. It would excessively dry your skin, so you actually need something that would not dry up your skin too much. So for me, I usually make this black soap and then I put it inside this container, and then when I'm done like this, I'll just look at that, see all of the stuff I put in the black soap. Yes, so that's what I use black African soap, and it's actually very mild. So that's basically what you need, a very mild soap, okay? And then you wash this off. Repeat this ingredient at most 2 or 3 times in a week, because you can't store this. When you store it, it's going to get too thickened and it will go bad, yeah? So that's it guys. It's actually very simple, and I just love to apply it because it helps for preventive measures too, okay? So if you're actually not like age for now, because of course everybody's gonna age, yeah, but if you're not age for now, you can also use it, okay, for preventive measures, and it's actually going to help you so much to make you look young. And all of those age-related problems is actually not going to be on your face that much. That's if you're using it for preventive measures, okay? So that's it guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe and share, and bye guys.